Hmm. So just now I went out to buy smokes, had a tea. Raju tea was not available. I went a little further to have a tea. And then what? It's heat out there, huh? Be careful. And what do you call it more? What do we call it? This. देखा ये झाटू वेंचर अभी मैं बाहर now wait I'll give you the time now is 16:05 and 16:06 and I just came inside and 1 minute 1 or 2 minutes it might have happened and उतने ही 10-15 मिनट में I gave the details went out listen to it then I went out had a tea and then I came here back meanwhile someone must have entered the flat meanwhile someone must have entered and did the same thing and when they do physical access to this phone they are also getting recorded from the front camera they still don't fucking know it yet even if the phone is dead, what do you call it switch off it might record stuff audios are involved I think this one even audios get recorded visuals are recorded so they are fucked in their own mess it's not my mess इसलिए तो मैं बोला था कि मैं दरवाजे पे रखूँ क्या फ़ोन मैं क्यों बोला ऐसा क्योंकि वो जो फिजिकल एक्सेस करते हैं जब उनका खुद के थोड़े कैप्चर हो जाते हैं समझे इनको कोई बता के बोलने करने वाला है वो कि ये लोग जो फिजिकल एक्सेस कर रहे थे इनको रिकॉर्ड करने वाला बता के करने वाला है क्या this phone is programmed look when they defamed me in the police court everywhere I was what do you call it as a they had a doubt on me and when so they have to do the phone shit the live shit whatever the one who does they got physical and they did that thing now when they do physical access, everyone I have come to know that I got nothing to do with anyone. They do physical access and front camera records their faces as well. The one who does physical access. That's why there is no, what do you call it, not a single accusation towards police. No one troubles. What do you call it? Everyone came to know the real story. What the real story is. The one who does physical access, their face itself gets recorded. The one who opens the lock, immediately their face starts getting recorded. That's why I'm never, what do you call it, never troubled with anyone. Police, why did they say, go and work, what do you have to do? Yeah. But for the public defamation, I have to give that thing, right? My side, that it's not me, whoever is doing it, they have been recorded. And the one who did it is the accuser itself. That's a team of accusers. So, मैं अभी बाहर गया था घर पे आके कौन नंगा नाच करके गया और ये बुड्ढे को भयंकर इसकी माँ की चूत चोरी के पैसे से गाड़ी चोरी के पैसे से कपड़े खरीद रहा है झाटू भयंकर बाहर रुबाब झाड़ रहा है गरीबों पे